That's real.
You got it really good. How far you think you down?
Come on, Chris.
This could be a
Yeah,
shark.
watch out.
Chris, no. Just wait till they get up. Just wait till they get up. Just wait till they get
I
up.
want to record.
Oh, you want to record the fight?
I'm recording.
Go ahead. Just record it. Here, let me do it. I don't want you to fall in the water. Got a big one on.
Pull the rod up. Slow.
Chris got a big one on, trying to see what he is. Come on, Chris.
This could be a big shark.
Bring him in, Chris.
Slowly pulling the rod up.
Look at that.
Tim, this is a big fish.
Look at that.
It's the biggest fish
Big
we've caught
fish.
on this boat this year.
Here you go.
You know that, and
There you
when
go.
we get something on him, pull up. Yeah, go ahead and reel some in.
No sharks.
Reel some in.
No sharks,
This
please.
fish is over 100 pounds.
No sharks, please.
God, Tim, I don't know what. I've not had a fish on this year.
You have to use the boat to pull him in?
Hell, he's got it.
We need that. We need a winch.
Tim.
He said winch.
He's pulling you still.
This is the biggest fish we've had this year.
Uh-huh, look at it.
But now there's plenty of sickness. Somewhere I go. No, I can't move up. There's two in that white plastic bag.
He's gonna